Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curves, and today again I'm doing a jabbering session where I'm going to talk about, as a female, what insecurities we always have and how to be body positive. So let's get started. Don't you know that you're beautiful just the way you are, just the way you came? So recently I have started noticing this thing, like, how important it is to be mentally very calm. And being a PCOS, it becomes really very hard for me also at times to praise myself, because we undergo so much of mood swings. And that's not only me, like most of us undergo so much of pressure nowadays. And one of the pressure, I always keep on talking about body positivity, because I feel somewhere it's very very necessary, that we always put it into our brain or talk about it. Like today I'm going to talk about some of my insecurities in front of the camera, and I felt like, why not? Like, I'll talk about my 4 to 5 insecurities which I always have. So the first insecurity which I always have is losing things, losing someone special. Was born, and I have been into that environment where I always lose things or lose people around me. So I always keep like one friend. I don't like much of groups, and sometimes I cannot even, I go into my nutshell when I am into a group, into a big crowd. Whereas one to one basis I can be very free and very open. Therefore I don't have any bigger groups of friends. And whenever I tend to, the bond did not work out, just because I don't like. And with my experiences, now I don't even get such a big group for myself, because I feel that I'm happy with whatever I am now. So this is nobody talks about their insecurities. They talk about their, good part and everything. But yes, we are human beings, and we have so many negativities or so many bad qualities also. And why not to flaunt them also if you are the way you are? The second thing is, yes, body positivity. That's one thing. Like, it goes up, then I am down, then up. You might be feeling on screen that, oh my god, you dress up very well, everything suits you. It's not that way. Sometimes I do cry, or whenever I see my body I feel, no, this is not perfect, this doesn't look nice. Look at her, she looks more nice than me. Look at that one, she looks more prettier than me. So these insecurity, like, I am working on it, and I every day I am working one step ahead. But still, I take two steps, then one step I come behind, then I take two steps. So, such things always happen, and it's part of our life. So I feel okay. So this is one thing. I am body positive, but at times I get into my nutshell and I feel like crying. No, nothing suits me, I don't look good, this is not for me. So those all emotions come. Okay, I'm not a very positive person, not, but not a very negative person also. The third thing about me is that I have a feeling of being jealous at times. Yes, I admit it, that I'm not jealous like I will harm someone else. That's not my nature. I will never ever harm anyone. Even if the other person have done wrong to me, I will never harm. Just that my karma, or the thing that plays into my mind, and things happen like, many a times people have bashed me, or they have said so many negative things about me. I never give it back. I don't give it back at all. There are rare times when I give it back, but I be a very silent person, and I just ignore things. But at the same times, situations happen that, that karma thing happens, and the person realizes at one point of time. This has happened to me many many times, even with my ex, or you see, with any relationship around me, even at times with my own sister, or at times I could say with my own parents or anyone. So, indirectly or unknowingly or unintentionally, if something happened wrong between me and my parents or my sister or even Aditya, I just keep calm. I never ever say anything and make them realize that I was right and the other person was wrong. If I am wrong, I accept it, but if I am right, so this thing happens. But at the same time, I am a person who gets jealous. I get jealous, but that happens for a fraction of seconds. Like, if someone is earning good than me, or if someone is doing something good, I feel, oh my god, I wish I could be in that place. I wish I could have gone for that holiday which my friend is going. I feel jealous, but that time bond of feeling, that kind of feeling, is very, very less. After few hours, I would say, I get normal. So, that remains for few hours only, but it's like we all get it, but we don't admit it. That's what I would say, but I do admit it, and I feel it's totally normal. The fourth insecurity or anything negativity about me is that I'm very, very emotional person. I am very sensitive. I would say I'm really very sensitive. Um I would say sensitive in both the things. Like, I am emotional. Like, if you tell me to love something, I love it like 100%. And if you tell me to hate something, I'll hate it 100%. I cannot stand in that middle section anytime where, it's like 50-50% percent. I cannot do that, and that's what I fail in. It should be like, at times you should be neutral, but or else diplomatic, but I am not such kind of person. I fail in this quality. But at the same time, I think, okay, fine, if even if I'm emotional, I'm very proud of it. Like, even if I speak out my heart, or I'm not thinking and I'm just speaking out my heart, I am okay with it. I have always kept my life very, just like an open book for everyone to read. It is not only via camera people know what I am, but if you meet me in person also, I have always kept my life very open to everyone to read, turn around the pages and just pick up whatever they want. So I have always kept my life that way. So I feel like it's good to be emotional. Sometimes it's very bad also to be very sensitive person, but this is how I am. I'm a very, very sensitive person. Seriously, I'm very sensitive. The last quality which I would say I should work upon or I shouldn't work upon, I don't know. But I overthink a lot. Like, my process of thinking keeps on going even when I sleep, or even if you tell me to sit anywhere, I'll keep on thinking something or the other, and I remember things a lot. Now, this is a good quality. I would say that I know things, I remember each word, each thing which was said. Till now, at this age, also, I remember 10 years back what words, I remember each and every chapter of my life very clearly, if you say. But at the same time, it's wrong also, because I remember everything. Like, I cannot forget. I can forgive people, that's another thing, but I cannot forget. Okay, I will forgive them, like the way, okay, sorry, chal, move on. I'll move on with them. I'll be kind to them and everything. But those words will never ever get deleted from my mind. That will be registered. Like, everything gets registered in my mind. If you ask me on tips, I can say like this way. And I overthink a lot. Like, I think so much, that this quality of mine I'm working on. Like, whenever I sleep, it should be like shut down. Aditya gets very angry because of this, because this quality affects me a lot. It emotionally makes me very weak, because I overthink. Though he's not such kind of person, he never thinks about anything at all. He is more of, being practical and moving on in life. But at the same time, I become totally opposite. I overthink and think and think, and it goes on. But even I want to change this quality. I wanted to bring out all these five things, or these five insecurities, the negative part or the bad part, about me, just because I want you all to understand that we are also human beings just like you all. We have so many flaws, but we are that one thing which makes us different from you, that we are accepting it and we are happy with it. So, I want everyone to be the same. Flaunt your flaws. No one is perfect, or this, the outer image can be perfect, but the inner side of you cannot be always perfect. We have certain qualities which that makes us different from others. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. So do subscribe to my channel, hit the button like, and stay connected for more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and don't feel that I'm a very bad person. Okay, so don't troll me down in the comment section. Write out, spell it out, or just remove it out from your mind, what insecurities or anything negative you have about yourself, because you know yourself at all. Write it down in the description box and be relaxed. The way I'm feeling now, you will also feel very calm and relaxed from inside when you will share it out. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye.